If you're looking to sell your house fast in Miramar without the hassle and fees, our simple selling process can help. Introducing the Equity Protection Program by Miramar Cash Home Buyers. We're not your typical real estate agents. We're real estate investors who specialize in hassle-free house buying. Whether you need cash fast or prefer alternative worry-free options, we've got you covered. You can sell your Miramar house fast for cash on your time frame, without the stress of negotiations and costly repairs. We take care of all the closing costs, realtor commissions, and other fees associated with selling your property. Even coordinating tenants is handled by our professional team. Say goodbye to dealing with title companies, closing attorneys, and contractors. With us, you get the agreed-upon selling price at closing without all the headaches. We take the time to understand your needs and create a customized solution tailored to you. After agreeing on a price, we'll complete a purchase agreement and give you reasonable access to the property. We'll market your property, pre-screen potential cash buyers, handle inspections and appraisals, and even get estimates for any repairs they may want. Once we've found the perfect buyer, we'll complete a simple buyer substitution agreement. You'll receive your net price that we originally agreed upon at closing, hassle-free.